Ever wondered what it feels like to hold history on your wrist? Rolex. The name itself evokes images of luxury, prestige, and maybe even a bit of mystery. But with so many models from the iconic Submariner to the elusive Daytona, choosing the right Rolex can feel like navigating a maze. Fear not, watch enthusiasts. Today, we're cracking the code and revealing the top 5 best Rolex watches for 2024. We'll uncover hidden gems, expose little-known facts, and guide you towards the perfect timepiece that reflects your unique style. This is your ultimate Rolex roadmap. So buckle up, get ready to be surprised, and join us here at Thermy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth explorations into the world of luxury watches. Number 5. Rolex Milgauss Black Dial 40mm men's watch. The Rolex 116400 BLKSDO is a timepiece designed for those who work around strong magnetic fields. It's a unique and interesting watch within the Rolex lineup. Here's a breakdown of its key features. Magnetic resistance. The Milgauss was designed to resist magnetic fields up to 1000 Gauss. This makes it ideal for scientists, engineers, and other professionals who work in environments with strong magnetic fields, such as MRI machines or power plants. Black Dial. The Black Dial features orange highlights on the hour markers and the sweep hand, which provides a sporty and stylish look. Oyster Case. The 40mm Oyster Case is made from 904 liters stainless steel, a special alloy that is even more resistant to corrosion than the 316 liters stainless steel used in most Rolex watches. Number 4. Rolex Submariner Black Dial Yellow Gold/Steel Men's Watch. The Rolex Men's Watch 116613 LN1 is a luxurious and sophisticated timepiece that combines the timeless design of the Submariner with the elegance of 18-karat gold. Here's a closer look at its features. Oyster Bracelet. The 3-link Oyster Bracelet is crafted from a combination of 904 liters stainless steel and 18-karat gold. It features a folding oyster lock clasp with a safety lock to prevent accidental opening and a glide lock clasp extension system for a comfortable fit. Water resistance. The Submariner is water resistant to a depth of 300 meters, 1,000 feet, making it suitable for recreational diving. The Rolex Submariner Black Dial Yellow Gold/Steel Men's Watch 116613 LN1 is a stand-up timepiece that combines luxury, functionality, and durability. It's a watch that's sure to turn heads and make a statement. Number 3. Rolex Submariner Hulk Green Dial Men's Luxury Watch. This is a true head-turner, standing out from the crowd with its vibrant green aesthetic. Here's why it's become a legend among watch enthusiasts. Unidirectional bezel. The green ceramic Cerachrome bezel with a 60-minute scale isn't just for show. It allows divers to track elapsed dive time. Luminous dial. Large, luminescent hour markers and hands ensure clear readability in low-light conditions. Oyster Bracelet. The comfortable 3-link Oyster Bracelet, crafted from stainless steel, features a folding oyster lock clasp with a safety lock for security. The Rolex Submariner Hulk is a watch for those who appreciate bold design and a touch of collectability. It's a conversation starter and a timepiece that will surely stand the test of time. Number 2. Rolex Cosmograph Daytona Black Dial Oyster Men's Watch. The Rolex, often referred to as the 116500 LN, is a modern icon within the Rolex Daytona collection. Here's a breakdown of its key features and why it might be the perfect watch for you. Well designed for racing, the Daytona's sleek black dial and oyster steel bracelet offer a versatile style that transitions well from casual to dressy attire. It's a statement piece that exudes luxury and precision, perfect for those who appreciate both functionality and refined aesthetics. The Rolex Daytona is a high-demand watch, and its price reflects its exclusivity. Be prepared for a significant investment. Availability at authorized dealers can be limited due to high demand. Consider exploring pre-owned options, but ensure authenticity through reputable sources. Number 1. Rolex Cosmograph Daytona White Dial Stainless Steel Oyster Men's Watch. The Rolex Watch 116500 is a stunning and highly sought-after timepiece that blends iconic racing heritage with a touch of modern elegance. Here's a closer look at what makes this watch special. The Rolex Daytona 116500 is a highly coveted watch, and its price reflects its exclusivity. Be prepared for a significant investment. Due to high demand, availability at authorized dealers can be limited. Exploring pre-owned options is possible, but ensure authenticity through reputable sources. The Rolex Cosmograph Daytona White Dial Stainless Steel Oyster 116500 is a watch that transcends mere timekeeping. So there you have it. We've explored some of the most coveted Rolex options. Each watch offers a unique combination of style, functionality, and heritage. Thanks for watching.